heading on over to AutoZone, driving on this drift course right now. Literally, if I had an S14, maybe even a 350Z like we just saw, I'd be wah, bah, bah, blah, bah, bah. November 20th, and we already got Christmas trees out here. Oh my. Duralast semi-metallics from AutoZone. They were $26. It's taking me the cheapest pads you got, and they're gonna hold us over for at least another, not long until we get the good stuff. Perfect. Got my screwdriver to remove my springs. Now we got that spring undone. I'm just gonna go ahead and slide this up. I'm just compressing the piston by leaving the old brake shoe in there. One of the things a lot of people skip is make sure you grind down the top and the bottom just a little bit so everything could freely sit. I used high temp marine grease, but you probably use anything. I want my sliders to be nice and lubed up. The passenger side all installed. This brake pad is literally to the bone. It's completely shot, and you know, I swear every single time I'm filming, at the end of the day, the sun just follows me. It's always in my eyeballs. But I've got these new brakes on, and we're about to hit some back roads. AutoZone, you're doing pretty well. Oh my god, who is this? Somebody tag this guy in the comments. He's definitely a local. I love it. Perfect. All right, so on 6.0 Trilogies, brand new 6.0 back window stuck. I think it's like the button or something.
Dude, I don't know.
Oh my goodness. It's definitely just the button. Yo, nice butt. Oh my god! Like a prisoner trying to escape out the window. All right, so on 6.0 Trilogies, Kevin's giving up for now.
The window is still stuck open. I can't get it to close. I mean, there's something wrong with that button. I don't know. Alex he was good help, but it wasn't enough help to get the window closed. So we're rocking open window now.
So Kevin's here. He's got this 2008 bulletproof 6.0, 2006 bulletproof 6.0, running a 4-inch all the way back. Kevin, oh, he's got the fuel wheel. It's a nice little pickup. I don't even want to tell you guys how much he paid for this thing, but it's literally, he paid dirt for this. And it's the Harley Davidson edition, so it's got like the whole Harley Davidson like emblems up there. It's got this middle piece. It's got the cooler. Kevin, how long till we jump this thing off of like a ramp or something like that?
10 minutes.
Perfect. 10 minutes. Kevin, this thing sounds sick coming up the hill. Gotta leave the old girl. What the hell is that? Oh! America, baby! Woo. Yo, Kevin just macked this thing. Oh my. This is how you vlog on the iPhone right here, boys. Look at these angles. Oh, yo, when you get the 14s, it's over. Gotta grub. Okay. Certified gas pack. The 6.0 God's here.
Letter E.
Letter E.
You'd never ask.
That's gonna be a wrap on today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you for 29K. Like, we literally just hit it minutes ago. I'm about to edit up this video. Let me know what you guys thought about the video in the comments. And remember, your vehicle is unique to you. It's the only one puts you down. Peace.